Example 5. The first thing we're going to talk about is our axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is where I could fold the graph in half on top of itself. So in this case, our axis of symmetry is located at x equals -1. The coordinate of the minimum or the maximum, in this case we have a minimum, and it is the location of our vertex, which is at the point -1, 0. Notice how the x value of my vertex matches my axis of symmetry. Next, we're going to talk about the x-intercepts. That's where the graph crosses the x-axis. In this case, it happens to cross once, and it crosses at the same spot as our vertex. So we're at -1, 0. For our y-intercept, we're looking at where the graph crosses the y-axis. In this case, it crosses once, and it crosses at the point 0, 1. Intercepts always have 0 for the other letter and then a value for themselves. Does ray A have an increasing or decreasing rate of change? Well, ray A is the first part of the graph, and that is going to be, when I read it like a book from left to right, that's going to be going down. So it has a decreasing rate of change. Next, I'm going to go ahead and look at ray B, and I'm going to see if it's increasing or decreasing. It's the second part of my graph, and when I look at it, I read it like a book from left to right, which means it is going up. So it is increasing. And there you have the key features of your absolute value graph.